In order to create a virtual tour, I took my 360 images and brought them into Kahlua. I clicked upload and create a tour. I then named my tour around my house and imported my 9 images. Here it brings you to an edit page where you can then edit all of your 9 images. Here I show you the 9 images that I will now edit. I first wanted to see what my image looked like, so I clicked and moved around to see the full 360 image. I then wanted to create hotspots to go to the next image so the viewer can easily move around. I created a hotspot by clicking hotspot and then moving it into the position I wanted. I then hit the action to go to another post, and for this image I chose image 2, so when you click on it, it will then go to image 2. I then created that same meta tag for image 2, the action going to another post, and that post being image 3. I also wanted the viewer to be able to go back, so I created a meta tag for this one, but instead of the action going to the next image, it going back, so from image 2 to image 1. Now we're back to the first image. Between each image, I wanted to make sure they are saved before quitting out. I then created these 2 hotspots for each of my 9 images. That way the virtual tour will run smoothly. Here I am showing how I add the hotspots to the last image. I wanted to make sure the last image connects back to the first image, so I created a hotspot so that can happen. I now feel done with my virtual tour, so I save and share to get the link. Before sharing my link, I wanted to make sure that it ran smoothly. I clicked on each of my hotspots to make sure that it worked properly. I also made my navigation thumbnails dark and checked all the other settings to make sure they were good.